I'm really excited because 2 weeks ago, I bought the Ray-Ban Meta glasses, the Wayfarer version. I have these Ray-Bans just like this, but what's so cool about this, if you're not aware, there's a built-in camera, as well as you can listen to audio, and there's other cool features about this that you could use. You pair with your phone, with an Android or iPhone, and there you go. And the reason I didn't open it is because I wanted to do it here with you, and later I'll take it out and use it and see if it holds up to what I thought. Let's open it. Here we go. I know so far what I know. Oh, so this is the case right here, just like my Ray-Bans at home. Same case. But you can charge it right through the case. Oh, that's pretty cool. So that is a light, it's not just green. So that must indicate, see, it went off. That must indicate that it is fully charged. Wow. So let me see the front. Yeah, when okay. Trying to see from my regular. So here's the thing. One of these are the camera, and one is another indicator that lets people know, I guess, that you are recording. Now, I'm not gonna lie, that part I would like to block up. I see right here, maybe here is probably where the speaker is. Let me see if there's one on this side as well. There's one on this side as well. So when I'm wearing it, oh my God, it looks just like the other one. I'm gonna block one of them. It's not to be creepy, but when you're going about recording, as I said, you don't really, like, you just wanna be chill. Like, see, this looks like regular glasses if you don't know. And then you could be listening to music and no one know. This is what I like. This is what I like. I want to be, sorry for the noise, I want to be moving around and you're not thinking about anything. It's already black, it's tinted, and I was really curious about whether or not this would be tinted because I've seen the clear lens, and then I heard that it changes colors, but I wasn't too sure. Anyway, I like the look of it. It looks just like my other Ray-Bans. And yeah, the other glasses that I bought a decade ago, this was like really thick right here. This one is not too much off. It's a little larger than my regular Ray-Bans, but it's not off by much. And if you can tuck it under this hat or something, even better. Even a way for people not to notice. And then they got the Ray-Ban logo right there. So all I want to do is just block the indicator, the recording indicator. I want to block it out. Potentially. Maybe not. But I don't want it to be blinking when I'm using it. That's the only thing. Other than that, man, I'm excited. Think about all the stuff I could have captured. Anyway, that's it really in the box. So anyway, I'll be with you guys a little bit later and I'll show you how it is to record with these glasses. I've been so hard to find Hobby Lobby right now. Luckily,
I'm loving this area
I found
right
the
now.
last one on the shelf. Liquid gold right here.
What's
I was
this?
almost forced to buy
Bunch
the
of Chevy trucks.
infant one as a
Yeah.
backup, which is funny. The
Yeah,
infant
some
one
of
is
these
$40
as a
bucks,
kid.
and this is
That's pretty
28.
cool if you're into Chevy.
So glad I came and I
Got
found it.
move part here.
Oh, here's the thing. Where's the cord